This new style of frog is permanently going to replace hollow body frogs. That's a heck of a statement. I know it's going to devalue brands that have been out there historically for frog fishing, that I grew up fishing and catching thousands of giant bass on. And it sucks, but my allegiance is to the anglers, guys, not to these companies. Hollow bodies are becoming a thing of the past. TPE frogs and toads are going to take over, and I'll explain why. It is literally impossible for a hollow body to outfish the Savage Gear Tough Frog right here. This is our own formulation of TPE. It's called Tough Tech, okay? This stuff's crazy durable. Not only does this frog last 25, 30 plus fish, you get 2 in a box, already comes with a custom hook with a hard offset, extra strong, already rigged. It's going to outlast a hollow body for probably a third the cost, typically, per one toad. I mean, per one toad or one frog, you're getting two in the box every time. Let me tell you why. This thing's almost neutrally buoyant, meaning when a bass comes up to suck it in, it's sitting on the surface already. It floats, but it drops to that bass way easier versus like a hollow body that's very buoyant. It's like trying to push a beach ball under the water in a swimming pool. Okay, you ever try to do that, push a ball under the water? The buoyancy, and I'll show you right here in this little clip, it pops right back up. That leads to a lot of misses. It's very soft and it has flavor scent built into it. I have never once seen a bass over the last 3 to 4 years I've been fishing the tough toad, that's the kicking version of this tough frog, ever let go. I've literally gotten backlashes from cottonwood or hit a tree. I've seen them eat it. I will pick out the backlash and still set the hook on that fish. They don't let go. This is that custom heavy duty good offset hook that comes in all these. The mass is condensed, okay? This actually weighs more than this. So what do you think's more aerodynamic? Of course. I compared, I pulled out my frog boxes and I was throwing hollow bodies up to almost 3/4, some custom heavier ones. And still, the regular size tough frog, this comes in an XL, same thing with the tough toad, regular and XL versions, is outcasting this thing, outcasting any hollow body by about 15, 20 feet every single time. It skips remarkably well because the mass is smaller with 2 bigger, flatter surface areas. You guys have seen me skipping the tough toad for years and years and years. This also skips remarkably well. Not quite as good as the tough toad. It's a little bit longer and a little smoother for walking the dog with. Your hookup ratio, no joke, on a bad day, 75%. My best streak on tough toads and tough frogs, I think was like 46 for 46. Literally, I'm not joking. This is through duckweed. This is around primrose. This is skipping under trees. The hookup ratio is stupid good because you don't have to swing right away. You could check to see if they have it. They will literally hang on the whole freaking time. So, and it drops down to them way easier. There is literally no comparable, guys. You get 2 in a box. It's way cheaper. It lasts just as many fish as a hollow body frog does. It outskips it. It outcasts it. The hookup ratio is superior. And it's just cheaper. You can get a bunch of different colors. I leave multiple colors rigged up or down on my deck that I switch out super fast. There's just no competing anymore at this point. I know other companies are going to have to start doing this in the future, which is good. It's going to create some competition for Savage Gear, but we are literally first to market with this style of frog and toad. So it's okay. As you guys want to call, the industry wants to call the knockoffs. Make it better, modify it, do some improvements on it, guys, and we'll stay up with the times. We'll make improvements. All the anglers watching the video and getting out there and trying these products will all have something to gain from this, guys. This is the new Savage Gear Tough Frog. This is the regular size, comes in an XL. Same thing with our Tough Toad. That's also going to be coming in regular and XL very soon here, so keep an eye out for it. If you haven't tried the Savage Gear Tough Toad or Tough Frog yet, you should probably go see if you can find yourself an old classic car because it's the same idea. I loved hollow bodies, guys. I'm addicted to it. I have hundreds of frogs that I probably should sell off or give away, but the reality is I'd be doing you an injustice if I literally did not give you this bait because it's not even comparable. Thanks for watching.